This is our Fibrenew plastic and vinyl cleaner and our protector. We have to clean it, then protect it. I can use a little soft scrubby. If your car is really filthy, it's going to take a while to clean. You can use this product and do it yourself, or you can hire one of our professional technicians around the world. Okay? So, if I'm just going to clean on this dashboard, I want to just get it nice and wet. What the little soft scrubby, this is nice and soft. It's going to allow me to get to the bottom of the grain. Okay? When I just wipe with a one-time wipe, I'm just cleaning the surface. I'm not getting where the dirt is, which is down at the bottom. So give it a spray of the cleaner. I can now come in and gently agitate the surface. Okay? The dirt always ends up at the bottom. So you want to break it down in stages. So I've given that a clean. Now I want to remove the dirt. So I'm just going to fold up my soft towel here and remove some of the dirt. Now I'm going to turn this over and I want to remove the dirt. Then I might turn it inside out and remove the dirt. Okay? Once I have that nice and clean, I can then use my protector. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on there. Because I've removed the dirt, now I can use my towel and gently polish the protector down and into the bottom of the vinyl. Okay, it also comes with a new car smell. Okay, so it has a nice scent to it. It feels clean and fresh after we're done with it. But we can attack anything inside our car with our products. Okay, so here we have your classic daily driver. We've got lots and lots of dirt marks from shoes coming across here. This is hard plastic. Okay, if there's damage, this isn't going to fix the damage. This is going to clean and protect it. Okay, so here we have some leather. We got lots of little white markings, and we got maybe some hand cream kind of up in the areas here. And then across the top, we've got some little stains and stuff, probably from the window being open. All kinds of things. We don't know what it is, but let's get it clean. Okay, so I'm going to use our plastic and vinyl cleaner in this case. So I'm just going to spray some. I can spray it directly on, or I can spray it in my cloth. I want to remove that dirt. So you want to be pretty generous with the cleaner so that it gets down to the bottom of that grain. So then I can remove some of that dirt with a nice clean towel. So I could use this product all the way from top to bottom, clean this whole door panel, and then I can follow it up with our plastic and vinyl protector. Again, I can spray it into my cloth, or I can spray it directly on, nice generous amount. Now I come in and I just want to polish that product in. So we can see it has that nice matte finish. It's not oily, it's not slippery. Nice and clean. And the car enthusiast that loves his car to be clean is going to enjoy the smell, and he's going to enjoy the cleanliness of his car. So another common spot that we see a lot of damage from children and stuff is you're going to have foot marks all across your back seat, lots of dirt going across the bottom. So here we have a hard plastic, so we're going to choose our plastic and vinyl cleaner. Spray some into our cloth or scrubby. You can just come down here and we can just wipe all this plastic clean. So again, it doesn't fix scratches, so we have a couple of deep scratches here, so maybe a rock in the bottom of the shoe or something. We can give it a slight polish with a dry cloth. And then we'll follow that up with our protector. And that cleaned up really nice. We've cleaned the piece, we've removed all the dirt, we've protected it. It's not slimy, it's not oily, has a nice matte finish, and it has a UV protection that's going to help prevent this plastic from breaking down against UV rays. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching our videos. We have professional grade 2-part cleaner and protector available on our website. You can also contact our local Fibrenew technicians for the product or for reorder. Keep in mind that after you've done all your cleaning and you've found some areas of concern in your car that you'd like to get addressed, and we'd be happy to come out and look after that damage for you.